Let us try to solve this really interesting equation. We'll start by converting the root to a fractional power, and we equate it to, this is in accordance to the law of indices, that b root of a is the same thing as a to the power of 1 all over b. And then let us try to multiply the power of both sides by 0. Multiply this power by 0, and that equals 7 to the power of 1 times 0. And then we know that this will cancel this, and then we'll have x to the power of 1 equals 7 to the power of 1 times 0 gives us 0. And then x to the power of 1 gives us x, which equals 7 to the power of 0 gives us 1. And if you solve it this way and you got x equals 1, you are definitely wrong. Very, very wrong, because of you have made a very dear mistake. What is that mistake? The mistake starts from here. This is very, very invalid in mathematics. We can't have 0 as a divisor of any number. And why is that? Let's make an example of, let's say 8 divided by 2. Of course, we know that 8 divided by 2 will give us a real number, and that real number is 4. So with this idea, we can say that if a fraction can be evaluated, it means it will give us a real number. And when we multiply the denominator of that number, that is the divisor, by the quotient, which is the answer, we should get the dividend. It means 8 divided by 2 equals 4, and when we multiply 2 by 4, it should give us 8 equals 8. Now let us use that same logic for 1 all over, in order to know why what we did here is very wrong. Let us use this exact same logic. If 1 all over 0 is possible or can be evaluated, it means that 1 divided by 0 should give us an output x, which can be any number, real or complex. And by following the logic right here, it means when we multiply 0 by x, it should give us 1. But this is not possible. Why? Because we know 0 multiplied by any number, real or complex, will give us 0, which means 0 equals 1. And it is mathematically invalid for 0 to equal 1. $0 can equal $1. 0 people can equal 1 person. It is not possible. Therefore, it means that what we have done here is mathematically invalid. And finally, it means that this equation cannot be solved. It has no solution. X does not equal 1. X does not equal any number. Hope you learned something, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day.